Today, I want to speak about motivation. This very important topic is something that I get questions about from parents over and over and over again. Dr. Sandy, how can I motivate my child? My child is so unmotivated, doesn't want to do anything, doesn't want to do the homework, won't take a shower, whatever it may be. How do I get my child to be motivated? And the answer is, moms and dads, you cannot get your child to be motivated. You cannot talk your child into being motivated. You cannot encourage your child to be motivated. That will never, ever happen. So the question is, then what must I do differently? So think about this. What is a motivation actually? It's a desire. It's a feeling that you want to do something. And if that desire or that feeling is not there, then you will not be motivated. Where does that desire and the feeling come from? It comes from a chemistry that is being secreted in the brain. And when we have that kind of chemistry in the brain, it then will cause the desire and the feeling to be motivated. So if your child is unmotivated, it is a message to you that their chemistry in the brain is not present, the kind of chemistry that will create motivation. It is telling you that there is something going on inside of the child that's causing the chemistry not to be secreted in the correct way. What's going on inside of my child, you might ask? Well, it could be a whole bunch of different things, such as depression, anxiety, fear, anger, a whole lot of different things that could be happening inside of your child. And it's usually found in children who have got high levels of inner stress going on inside of them. So as a parent, what you will need to be able to do is to know, how do you actually do that? How do you find out what's going on? And how do you heal it? And then you will never speak about motivation ever again, because you won't need to. That's what I do. I teach parents how to discover what is happening on the inside of the child that is causing this particular issue of lack of motivation. And I teach parents how to get in there and heal it. Because folks, as I said, you can't convince your child. Don't do it, because the more you are talking to your child about being motivated, the more you are actually stressing the child out. The more you're trying to encourage your child to be motivated, the more you are sending the child the message that they are not good enough. And many of these children actually feel that they are not good enough, which might be the cause of the stress inside of the child. So folks, I would highly recommend that you take a look at my online video programs. I have some wonderful programs which are designed to help you to learn how to discover what's going on here and how to heal it. And when you do that, lack of motivation will be a thing of the past.